Have you ever wondered about the risks of investing in the stock market? The world of stock market investing can seem like a tempting treasure trove of financial opportunities, yet as with any treasure hunt, there are hazards lurking beneath the shiny surface. While it's true that investing in stocks can lead to profitable returns, it's also a venture that comes with inherent risks. So you may now be thinking, so what are these risks? Let's dive in. The first risk we'll discuss is market risk. This is essentially the possibility of you, the investor, experiencing losses due to factors that affect the overall performance of the financial markets. Imagine a major economic event like a recession. This could cause a significant drop in stock prices, leaving you with less than what you initially invested. It's the equivalent of a storm hitting an entire ocean, affecting all the boats, regardless of their size. Hence, market risk is something every investor should be aware of. Next, let's talk about inflation risk. This is the risk that the rate of price increases in the economy will outpace the returns on your investment. Imagine if the inflation rate is 3%, but your return on investment is only 2%. You're effectively losing money because the cost of goods and services is increasing faster than your investment's growth. So, inflation risk can erode the purchasing power of your investments. The last risk we'll talk about today is liquidity risk. Imagine having a ticket to a concert that's lost its hype. You're trying to sell it, but no takers. That's the essence of liquidity risk. It's the risk of not being able to buy or sell investments quickly enough to prevent or minimize a loss. If you need to sell a stock immediately, but there are no buyers, you might have to sell at a lower price, incurring a loss. And that, my friends, is liquidity risk. Now that we've discussed some of the potential risks of investing in the stock market, it's clear that investing isn't without its challenges. Remember, market risk, inflation risk, and liquidity risk are all integral parts of the investment journey. Understanding these risks can help you navigate the turbulent waters of the stock market with more confidence. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better your decisions will be. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Math TV and check out the links below for free educational resources. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.